Want to send an iMessage without the person you're messaging being able to see when you're typing? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to send an iMessage without the typing bubble showing. Now let's get started. Unfortunately, there's no option to disable the typing bubble feature, but there are a few different ways you can avoid showing the typing indicator when sending an iMessage. The easiest way to do this is to create your message as a new thread. Open Messages and tap the New Message button. Leave the recipient line blank for now. Go ahead and type out your message. Because the recipient line is empty, no typing indicators will be shown to anyone. Once you're done typing, fill in the recipient line with the contact you want to send this message to. Then go ahead and send it off. Another way is to disconnect your device from the internet before you start typing. To do this, swipe downward from the top of your screen to open your control center. Then tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. Make sure Wi-Fi is disabled as well. With airplane mode enabled and Wi-Fi disabled, you can return to your iMessage conversation and type freely without the person you're messaging knowing that you're typing. When you're ready to send your message, open your control center again, enable Wi-Fi, and disable airplane mode. Then you can return to Messages and send off the iMessage that you typed. The third option is to send your iMessage with Siri. To do this, hold down your lock button or say "Hey Siri" to bring up Siri on your screen. Then say "Type message." Siri will ask you which contact you want to send the message to.
Who do you want to send it to?
Tell Siri the name of the contact you want to receive this iMessage. Then Siri will ask what you want to say.
What do you want to say?
Say your message out loud and Siri will turn your speech into text. When you're finished, Siri will ask if you're ready to send your message.
Your message to Jessica TB says another example iMessage. Ready to send it?
Say yes, and Siri will send off your iMessage.
Okay, it's sent.
Messages sent this way will not show a typing indicator bubble, but the message will be labeled "Sent with Siri" and the recipient will be able to see this. Those are all three ways you can send iMessages without showing the typing indicator. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.